Frequent flyer, fly, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You're checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. If you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend the warmest welcome. Back out here is kind of wet, just coming off of a downpour out here, but I had to bring this wacky plane back out here again, y'all. This is the DRC futuristic plane, and I don't have the landing gear on it again. But the last flight that I had with it didn't go so well. Had a mishap, this thing crashed. But I feel like maiden flights don't always go well. It don't always reflect the characteristics of the vehicle or the plane, the aircraft. So it's always something crazy going on in the maiden that's unexpected. So now that I'm a little more familiar with this and the transmitter, I'm gonna have another stab at it. So let's get this thing up in the air. Cool looking little plane. Hopefully it flies better. Do a hand toss of this little plane. Actually, let's lay this thing down, make sure it's really level. We're going to the highest speed. Let's try to take off with it. A little windy out here for it, I guess. Sheesh. Let's see if we can get a flip or something. Oh, it did a twirl for us. Don't go on the roof. Did another twirl. Let's try another one. Didn't do it that time. See if we can get a loop up there. Oh, it did a loop. It does a wide loop. See if we can circle back around and get a landing in this thing. I was actually aiming for the grass, y'all. Sheesh. Maybe I should have bought the landing gear out here for it. But it flew well though. It felt a little squirrely in the air and all, but nevertheless it did fly well. It did get some of the moves off, some of the rolls and the loops and everything. The bottom seems to be okay with that crash landing. So I don't have any complaints about that flight, y'all. Pretty awesome little flyer here. Does get a little squirrely in the wind, but for the most part it can be fun for sure. In an open field, I can imagine having a whole bunch of fun with this thing. Next time out, I think I'm going to try the inverted mode. This does fly upside down. It has a button that you press. This shoulder button over this side on the right, it arms the flips, and then you hit the direction with this to do a roll or a loop. If you pull down, it'll do a loop. And this button here, the function button, FN, that button, if you tap it one time, it turns off the lights, it toggles the lights and all. But if you hold it down, it's supposed to put this plane in inverted mode, where it flips upside down like that. As far as I know, there is no manual mode on this plane. Not sure what this button does yet. Right here, it says it's altitude hold. I'm guessing it'll use the accelerometer or the gyro or something to try to keep it. Maybe there's a barometer in here, maybe there is, but it's supposed to hold its height, I guess. And I guess you can steer it, or I don't know if it's just an automated flight if you hit that at that point. But we'll find out in the next flight, y'all. It's the DRC, I think this is the Z95. I have it on the screen if I'm getting it wrong, chopping it and screwing it. But it's a futuristic aircraft from DRC. Thanks for watching.